Goes down right in a big neighborhood because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep pressing me. Pressing me. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Got them closed? Robbie, get in. Get in.
All right, folks, they bought that from a retired airline graveyard. You can tell because there's ashtrays in the armrest. They bought it for $60,000. You know what they always get you with the shipping and handling? It was $200,000 to bring it onto this lot. All right, folks, we are at approximately the 10-minute mark from the end of our tour. We're back in the theme park shortly. Remember to pull that cord above your head if you need any assistance. Do always remain seated on the tram. All righty, folks. Well, here at Universal Studios, we have a long legacy of collaborations with generation-defining directors Alfred Hitchcock, Steven Spielberg, Ron Howard, and Amy Heckerling. And we are continuing that tradition to this day with writer-director and Oscar winner Jordan Peele for his new film, Nope, out in theaters now.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Planet, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky G. Park. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Why? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience, built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. It's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of a gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center of the UFO hotspot. What's a bad miracle? Welcome to the world.
See what I did there? Trying to get all three movies in the same bid. We're still workshopping. Alright, everybody. You guys have been pretty incredible on this tour today, and I think it's time for a big finale, and I'm feeling like a car chase. Who's feeling fast? Who's feeling furious?
This might be more serious than I thought. What just happened? This is a secure line. Who are you?
I'll tell you who I am, boy. I'm the reason bad guys use a nightlight. I'm the reason the boogeyman begs his mama to look under his bed. And I'm the reason you just lost control of this whole operation. My name is Special Agent Luke Holmes of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service. And as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge.
The hell you are.
Let me clue you in on two things, sweet cheeks. One, there's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. And two, an international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
This is not your jurisdiction.
It is now, stink pickle.
I'm so tired of you state guys stepping in just whenever you feel like.
Mute him.
Don't mute him.
We're moving your vehicle to a safe location until we have the situation under control. Until then, I want everybody to stay calm. Enjoy the ride. I'm taking care of business. Bob's out.
There's the countdown says 29, 28, 27.
My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you from Shaw for a while. So we brought you in our secret spot.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone could give us away.
I need y'all to take this